invite Hemet here because he's coming here to clean his gold here, sell it in the Middle East, buy arms, go and kill children. I said, I will not. He said, you must. You are my deputy. This guy is my friend. We are doing biashara. Do you know by him not coming here what I'm going to lose? I said, Mr. President, I'm not going to do it. I'm not going to invite that man here. So you invite him yourself or do whatever you want. He said, wewe Rigathi umekuwa mjeuri. I am instructing you to sign a letter here to invite a vice president of a country. You say you cannot. I said, I won't. This man has international sanctions against him. This is a man who is butchering. Mr. President, I'm a Christian. Sudan. And then he told me, well, Taniona. I am tired of you. You are a very difficult character. You are the worst mistake I've made in my 35 years of politics. I regret having nominated you as my deputy. You are a very difficult character. I am president. I'm telling you to do, and you say you are blackmailing me that you are going to disown the letter. I refused. I want to say this. For the deaths occurring in the Sudan, the real commander of RSF is not Hemet, it's William Ruto, because for a movement to succeed, it needs money. The money from gold is being cleaned through Kenya to buy arms to go and kill women and children. And you know my next question would be to substantiate these claims. But I'm saying this guy was here, his movement was here the other day. That's in the public. Listen, no, I'm asking you. This man has international sanctions against him for genocide. True. He has been given a safe haven in Nairobi. He was here forming a government in KICC. That cannot happen without William Ruto. And I want to tell the international community. But the claims of doing business. No, everybody knows that he is selling gold through Nairobi. You may pretend not to know, or I'm not pretending. Don't shoot the messenger. Everybody knows. I'm just trying to find out. Everybody claims that the president is doing business. Everybody knows that why William Ruto is having relations with Hemedi through Nairobi is for the gold business, and the gold business. The proceeds are buying arms to butcher children and women. And I want to ask the international community, I want to say I'm available to give evidence, and I want to tell the international community, it is pointless to levy sanctions against Hemeti. The person you need to levy sanctions against is William Ruto. And this thing of Sudan will be sorted out, because if there are sanctions against William Ruto, he'll stop entertaining Hemeti. Gold will stop being processed in Nairobi. There will be no money to buy arms to go and kill children and women. Number two. How is this gold being cleaned in Nairobi? Because unless you were party to it, that's what I'm trying to find out. I was deputy president. So should we treat it as allegations? I was deputy president. Okay. I know what goes on in this country. I have a lot of information. Even today, when I'm out of government, I have serious networks within this administration. There is nothing that goes on that I don't know. Okay, we'll treat it as allegations. Proceed. Again, another issue is Kosovo. Yeah? Very senior officers from the Ministry of Foreign Affairs came to see me because it had become apparent to everybody. Nobody in the cabinet can face William Ruto. I was the only person. So what was happening is that where people felt things are not going well, they would come and see me. They told me that internationally it is unwise for the Kenyan government to acknowledge or recognize Kosovo. And that will